Hello students, now in this video we will discuss mutual inductance of two long solenoid. There is a two long solenoid, means one is like that and another is inside. Okay, one in another. Okay, what you will see when we apply current I2, magnetic field set up in the second, this one S2, B2 will be is equals to mu naught N2 I2. Here we wish to calculate the EMF developed. Okay, that means we need what? EMF is equals to what? Minus d phi 1 upon dt. It is 1. Okay, just to calculate phi 1, here phi 1 is equals to magnetic field into area. Magnetic field into area fluxed in this coil in one turn, that is phi 1 is equals to B1A, area of cross section. Total flux linked with 1, that is number of turns in the N1, as we have discussed in the previous lecture in self-inductance. Okay, self-inductance of a long solenoid. Okay, total flux linked with this coil means S1 coil, that is B1 A1 N1. We know that there is no B1 because current is flowing in this coil, in S2 coil, means magnetic field due to S2, that magnetic field is used by this coil. Magnetic field produced by this is used by this, means magnetic field B2 is present inside the coils, means here we will use what? B2, because magnetic field of this coil is used by this coil. Okay, now in place of B2 you can write here what? Mu naught N2 I2 into A into N1. Okay, also you can write here that is E is equals to minus d phi upon dt. Here you can write mu naught N2 A N1 di2 upon dt, or you can write here mu naught in place of N2 you can write N2 upon L into A into N1 di2 upon dt. Okay, or in other word you can write here, you know that phi is equals to mi. Okay, phi 1 is equals to mi2. You can compare this and this and this. You will do this equation. Mi2 is equals to mu naught N2 I2 A into N1. Here M will be is equals to mu naught in place of N2 capital N upon L into A into N1. Here M will be equals to, that we have to calculate, M is equals to what? Mu naught N1 N2 A upon L. This is the mutual inductance of first by second or second by first. Okay, hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.